Hello, hello, hello. Hello, dear. Hope you are good doing it. I am also fine. Thank you so much. Today here you. I am very glad to you. Here today is in this class. Uh, we we learn some magical sound like magic sound A. This sound like phonics, and this sound is clear. Our a lot of word like uh, some turi, and this is finished. You can try a lot of word, and correct pronunciation is magic sound like A. Okay, let's start this class, and request to you, every person, repeat after me, and this class is very helpful for you and me, and I'm pray for you and keep me your prayer. Okay, let's start. Number one, be. We are pronunciation this word be, not this correct pronunciation. This correct pronunciation is be. Like we, that is we have this word pronunciation in this way, like bo, a, be. Yeah, repeat after me. Bo, a, be, be, not be. Yeah. Number after next word may. We called this word may, not may. May, mo, a, may. Yeah, you have this is technique. Observe this and repeat after me. And a lot of word correct pronunciation. You this word we call pronunciation say, not this is wrong pronunciation. Correct pronunciation so a say, so a say. Okay, the next word day. This is not correct pronunciation. Correct pronunciation is do a day. Yeah, thank you so much. This is what we pronunciation clay, not clay. This is clay, claw a clay. This is magic sound a. Yeah, okay. Ray. This is not correct pronunciation. Ray, like ra a ray. Okay. Ha. This word we pronunciation hey, not hey. This is hey. How? Ha. This sound letter is ha ha a hey. This word we called oe, not oe. This is please. This pronunciation comment in this video. Okay, thank you so much.